all are requested to please stand up.
I request everyone to please take the seats. Celebrate endings, for they precede new beginnings. A very good morning to one and all. I, Sakshi Paranspe,
I, Anushka Sutar,
students from final year. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 7th graduation day of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology and 3rd graduation day of Department of Aeronautical Engineering.
The graduation day is much awaited day of any student's life. This is a day of joy and pride for all of us. It is a day to reflect on past, cherish the present, and look forward to the future. It is a day to celebrate the power of education, the value of learning, and the potential of each and every one of our graduates, as it returns the hard work of their entire academic endeavor. I request all the dignitaries of the dais to please come on the dais. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. As we come together in this moment, let us bow our heads in gratitude. I would like to call upon Ms. Radhika and Shreya Naik for the invocation song.
Dayamaya Guru Karunamaya, Karunamaya Guru Premamaya, Guru Premamaya. ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ಸಮನಾರಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ ಗುರು ಪಾದವನಂಬಿರಬೇಕಂತೆ ದೃಢತೆಯು ತನಗಿರಬೇಕಂತೆ ಧೃತಿಗೆಡದೆ ತಾನಿರಬೇಕಂತೆ ದಯಾಮಯ ಗುರು ಕರುಣಾಮಯ ಕರುಣಾಮಯ ಗುರು ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ ಗುರು ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ತನ್ನುಸಿರಾಗಿಹುದು ಉಸಿರಲು ಪಾವನವಾಗುವುದು ಸೇವೆಯು ಸಾಧನೆಯಾಗಿಹುದು ಗುರು ಕರುಣೆಯ ಧನ್ಯನ ಮಾಡುವುದು ದಯಾಮಯ ಗುರು ಕರುಣಾಮಯ ಕರುಣಾಮಯ ಗುರು ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ ಗುರು ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ ಗುರು ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika and Shreya. Please pay attention for few instructions. I request all the parents and students to please put their phones on the silent mode. No individual photographs are to be taken. College will provide all the photographs taken for the students. I request Professor Parmeshwar Bankar, Head of Department Aeronautical Engineering, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, our beloved Principal, my dear colleagues, parents, and my dear students. It is with immense pride and joy that I stand before you as head of the department to extend my warm welcome to this momentous occasion, that is the graduation day of our Aeronautical Engineering program. Today is the day where our graduates will be receiving their certificates and officially they will be addressed as an engineers. So when I say the word engineers, something comes to my mind. That is, engineers' minds are those minds where and which will fit into all the the sectors. You take banking sectors, we can find engineers. You take politicians, there are engineers. And you take any industry, there are engineers. Okay? And if you take scientists, obviously our engineers will come. And even you take the MDs and CEOs of the companies, our engineers will come. Even the bureaucracy, most IAS and IPS officers are engineers. You know the reason behind this, where we can find engineers, basically. If you see, whenever the government releases the application for the post of any post, they will give one requirement saying that if you are BE, definitely you can apply for that, irrespective of the sectors. The reason behind that, here what our graduates are sitting, they will not study only the core subject. Along with that, they will be trained with how to identify the problem, how to solve the problem, management skills, and also they will be trained with the money management, how to handle the money during their project. So this will make them capable of entering into any sectors so that there is no border for them. When I say, again, engineers, let me give a small example. If an engineer, especially aeronautical engineer, if he becomes a farmer, how he can make the difference with the ordinary man? See, just you assume or imagine that there is a 1 acre of land which is given to two people. One is the ordinary person, another side is we are giving it for aeronautical engineer. So what he can do, ordinary person, assume that there is no water source. So ordinary person will think, or he may get the instructions from other people, and what he will try to do, either he will keep silent because there is no water source, or else he will put huge investment by dragging the water from so far distance by putting so many pipelines and constructions. Whereas our aeronautical engineers, they can use their mind. So what they will do is simply they will create a pond at a little higher level, and they can measure the quantity of water required for each plant, how much it is going to take, so that they can make a pipeline. They will apply their knowledge of fluid mechanics, right? Then they can create a pressure so that it can easily go to the plant, that is how much is required. Then once the crop grows, then what will happen later on? The other person, he will look for laborers or somebody where he invest most money. And if the trees are literally high, how to spray the pesticide? It is a very difficult job. Then what our engineers can do, aeronautical engineers, they can use their drones, they can study the health monitoring of the crops, then they can spray it efficiently, where they can save money as well as they can do work efficiently. So just I wanted to say these things just to make the difference between the normal person and engineers, because engineers are problem solvers. So our graduates not only absorb the intricacies of aerodynamics, propulsion, structure and all. So along with that, they are embraced with spirit of knowledge and then innovation and problem solving skills. To the faculty members who are sitting here, they are the guides and mentors. So I take this moment to convey my deepest appreciation for them for putting their effort so that they have they have groomed these people, and also they have nurtured these young minds. So their efforts significantly contributed for today's success. And to the parents who are sitting here, family members as well as the guardians, you were the backbone of your wards. That is nothing but our students who have helped them, and you also nurtured them. So that is what today you can witness their success today. And to the graduate students, I say this: sky is not the limit. Okay? So it is the beginning of your journey. So in future, wherever you go, you embrace the challenges, then continue to learn and strive for excellence. So as you leave this nest of academia, remember that you are well equipped with your skills to make significant contributions in the field of aeronautical engineering. So once again, I congratulate to the graduating classes. May your wings of knowledge and determination carry you to the unprecedented success. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. Surrounded by the vibrant blossom of appreciation and gratitude, we extend a vibrant floral welcome to our esteemed chief guest. I request Professor Ishwar Gowda Patil to welcome our today's chief guest. Dr. Mahadev Nagraj with the floral welcome. We also welcome our respected HOD, Professor Parmeshwar Bankar sir. We extend our warm welcome to all the teaching, non-teaching staff of Aeronautical, to all the parents, students and graduates.
Let us illuminate the path ahead. In spirit of enlightenment, let us all lit the lamp for today's Convocation Day. I request two graduates to please join us on the stage. I request our respected HOD, Parmeshwar Bankar sir, to present a memento to our today's esteemed chief guest, Dr. Mahadev Nagraj. I request Professor Dharmendra Punaswamy sir to present the department report.
So very good morning everyone. So Aeronautical Engineering course at GIT aims to metamorphosing a raw youngster to a true professional who is exposed to all facets of different departments. As our HOD sir said, an aeronautical engineer can contribute to in all the sectors and also can see us as a engineer in all the fields, including agriculture. So this is how it is being happening in the sense. The curriculum of our aeronautical engineering comprises of aircraft structures having its roots or genesis in the civil engineering, aerodynamics and propulsion having its roots in mechanical engineering, avionics and radio communication bearing its roots in electronics and communication engineering. The electrical architecture of the aircraft is having its roots in electrical engineering, and flight instrumentation and display covering a background of computer science and its applications. So this is how the curriculum is made for aeronautical engineering, which help the aeronautical engineer to become a successful engineer in all the sectors as sir mentioned. The aeronautical engineering course in GIT was started in 2017, where the first batch output was produced in 2021, and also the efficient of the students made the students to achieve 70% of placements in high profile companies. And this particular aura was continued in 2022 and 2023 also. So GIT provides an excellent academic architecture, atmosphere with experienced faculty, sound infrastructure, state-of-art laboratories, and good training aids. With this supporting a few laboratories of our aeronautical department, which supports our curriculum to make the students better trained, are aerodynamics, propulsion, aircraft structure, advanced flight simulation and control, and 2 more laboratories are going to join our choir of aeronautical engineering, such as UAV and avionics too, and which will strengthen the R&D team of our aeronautical department and give more opportunities to the students to explore themselves. The Department of Aeronautical Engineering has signed MOUs with Latecor, GTTC Belagavi, and HAL Bangalore. And shortly we'll be signing 2 more MOUs with Equus Aerospace and also Saros Aerospace Belagavi. With this strong base of research fundamentals and industry supports, so our students have done their final year projects in various industries, including government and private together, like HL, Airport Authorities of India, DRDO, ADA, ADE, and NL, and which includes private sectors of La Foundation Resort, Zeus Numerics, Cosmos Space, Versadas Technologies, and so on and counting still. So the students also, they are doing their internships with the industry partners such as Aequus Aerospace, HL Bangalore, DRDO, Pi Theorems, Jet Aerospace, Lead Motors, Pantech Solutions, Gogte Aerospace, Saros Aerospace, and so on, and it's continuing still because engineers of our aeronautical department are satisfying the requirements of the industry by the curriculum what we are providing. And our students have completed in and won several honors, which includes a few like IIT Boeing Aero Modeling Competition, Nationwide SA India Aerothon, Aerial Endeavour of Aeromania under the club chapter of Vayuputra, and so on. So this is how we are proving ourselves that the students from the aeronautical engineer of KLS GIT are proving themselves in all the sectors and also in the society and giving back them. So lastly, let me congratulate all my beloved graduates who are starting their new chapters in their life. All the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Your presence here today is a testament of your unwavering dedication. As our esteemed chief guest, your presence adds aura of excellence. I request Professor Anil Kumar Nakala to introduce our today's chief guest.
Namaskara. A very good morning to one and all. It is my pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. Mahadeva Nagaral. Dr. Mahadeva Nagaral is working as manager in Configuration and Mass Properties Group, Aircraft Research and Design Center, simply known as ARDC, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Bangalore. He has done his BTech and MTech from Basaveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot. He has pursued his PhD from Visvesvaraya Technical University, Belagavi in the year 2020 in the field of Mechanical Engineering and Sciences. Previously, he worked as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore, for the period of 3 years, 2009 to 2012. Also has worked as an engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited, known as BEL, for the period of 1 year. Since 2012, his 232 research papers have been published, which includes 110 Scopus indexed journals in national and international journals, and he has presented more than 127 research papers in national and international conferences organized at various engineering colleges all over the country. His research papers are having more than 1,860 Google Scholar citations. He guided more than 46 undergraduate and 41 projects, PG projects. 245 international journal papers were reviewed as a reviewer. Dr. Mahadeva Nagaral received total 33 state and national awards, and still it is counting. So it is very difficult to cover his achievements in these 2 minutes. Simply I want to tell you one thing, sir. You are the true inspiration not only for students, even for faculty members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We warmly welcome Dr. Mahadev Nagral. I request our today's chief guest, Dr. Mahadev Nagral, to share his thoughts.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. A warm good morning to one and all. Respected Principal Sir in his absence, respected HOD Sir of the department, and all the non-teaching as well as the teaching staff of the Aeronautical Engineering branch, and also my dear young minds of this Aeronautical Engineering branch and parents also. If you see any graduation day, either it may be mechanical or it may be aeronautics or any branch, for one, it is very, very important. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the graduates of this Aeronautical Engineering branch for getting their professional degree, and also they have achieved this professional degree with the help of their parents. You know, our side always we used to struggle to have these kind of professional degrees, especially from the rural backgrounds as compared to the Bangalore side, or it may be some other side. Always our parents are putting a lot of efforts. Now with their help you have completed your professional degree. Now your duty is to give back to them as well as the give back to the our nation also with the help of your degree, whatever you have achieved. That is very, very important. If you see our entire life, since I am also from the same background, I studied my 10th up to Kannada medium, then UC from Basaveshwara that institutes up to MTech. Then I completed my PhD from the SIT Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkuru. If you see our journey especially, if we divide our entire life into 4 phases, from our childhood to our 12th standard, that is one phase of the life where we are trying to get lot of basic things. And after that, from professional degree, we can call it as a second phase of our life. Third phase, after completion of your professional degree, what about your professional career as well as your family life? Ultimately, last one is, as we know, retired life. Correct? Always we used to think, or we will be in confusion when we used to complete our 12th standard. After completion of 12th standard, which branch I need to join? Whether I have to go for mechanical engineering, or I have to go for aeronautics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or it may be computer science. Like that, lot of confusion will be there within the mind of our young generation as well as the parents also. Based on the trend, which trend we have to follow? Right now, if you see everyone, mechanical is there? No, everyone used to think right now artificial intelligence as well as the machine learning. So ultimately, we used to put our kids into the computer science. But now, entirely this, after Chandrayaan 3 success, as well as our one more important product, Tejas, you might have heard, LCA, Light Combat Aircraft, as well as our own one more beautiful product, Dhruv. You might have heard our helicopter, Dhruv. And as well as one more important satellite launched by the ISRO, Auditorium L1. And recently, on 1st January, we launched ExpoSat. So if you see all those things, so ultimately you are going to have confusion after completion of your professional degree also. Whatever confusion you've had during your 12th standard, same thing now after completion of your graduation also. Few of may think whether I have to go for job, first thing. Second thing, few of you may think I will go with my own business. And one more important parameter is the whether I have to go for higher studies. Not only with respect to the students, with respect to the parents also. Whether I have to send him Bangalore or not. Whether I have to send him to the US for MS. Or I have to open my own business. So like that confusion will be there. So out of that 75% of the students are going to do job. The remaining 25% hardly they will choose higher studies or it may be their own business. Recently, Professor Ishwar sir has sent one of their students to me to meet me in my home only, Subham, and one more I think Siddharth from the mechanical engineering branch. They came to my home 1 month back. I was not aware about what they are doing exactly. So finally they told, no sir, Ishwar sir has sent to me, they given your contact and we want to meet you. They came to my home. By seeing me they thought something, oh sir is doing some work, something like that. They thought in there. When we started discussing, they had their own clear vision about what they are going to do. They wanted to establish one material testing lab, which is badly required for our aerospace domain also. What they wanted to develop aluminum lithium alloys, which are badly required for our aerospace structures. They started discussion. So when we started discussion, it went up to almost 2.5 hours. They had their own script, what they want to do, what are the experiments they have conducted, and how they want to move forward. So like that they are having their own concept. So like that vision this particular institute is giving, I am really thankful to the management of this Gogte Institute of Technology. Not only this, before coming here, I had one round, so lot of good labs are there with respect to the simulation and wind tunnel. So like that opportunities are there. So with the help of those opportunities, what we need to do, that is very, very important. And one more thing, whether we have to go for business, we are go for higher studies, or it may be I have to join for job. This question mark will be there. What about your interest? Guys, those who have completed your graduation, you have to go for higher studies or you want to join any job? How many of you wanted to join the job? No one. I think few of maybe knowing me in our HMA, Hindustan Management Academy. I took one class for you, configuration and mass properties. Okay, always we people, as well as the parents also, we look for the job after completion of our engineering degree, ultimately. So lot of opportunities are there, lot of opportunities. Don't think that there is no any opportunity. Lot of opportunities are there, meanwhile tough competitions also. So you want to survive in this particular aerospace domain, whatever subject we have learned from starting first semester to the 8th semester. Yes, sir described lot of subjects they are going to cover for you from first semester to the last semester, including some of the industry expertise also. Either it may be aerodynamics or it may be aircraft systems, electrical avionics, as well as some fluid mechanics, flight mechanics. So those things we have learned. So where exactly you are going to use these subjects in real-time industry, that is very, very important. So whatever subjects you have learned till now, same subjects only we people are going to use for our day-to-day activities to make one particular product. If you see, have you studied CAED, Computer Aided Engineering Drawing? CAED in your first semester? What is the use of that particular subject? That is the subject we are going to use to make any product. If you want to make one pencil like this, we are going to put top view, front view, as well as the side view of this product. We are going to initiate design with the help of that CAD subject only. So each subject is having its own importance. Why I am going to highlight here? You might be completed your graduation today, but you need to read continuously. Whatever subject you have studied from the first semester to the last semester, so those subjects only we are using more effectively to make end product like Tejas. Not only Tejas, we are having lot of new products which is going to open new door for all your young guys. Only thing you have to put hard work to improve your technical skills. That is very important. Now the entire country is driven by the skill and knowledge based output. If you are skilled, you are going to get into one company, then ultimately you are going to contribute for our nation to make one end product. Ultimately, when you are going to contribute something to the nation, ultimately your family background is also going to improve. So that's why 3 important parameters we youngsters need to adopt. First one is the technical skills. Second one is the innovative mindset. Third one is your attitude. These 3 are the very important. You should not stop reading at any stage of your life. Continuous reading is required. You might have completed your degree now. Now you have to reopen what are the subject you have studied during your first semester and second semester. Few of maybe have got the placement. What about the remaining? They are going to face the interview. How interview will be there? Maybe that may be new thing for you. You have to face 1 or 2 interviews. Then only you will come to know what are the industry people expectations. What about mechanics of material subject? What about your flight mechanics? For what reason this flight mechanics is required? For what reason this aerodynamics subject is required? You are the guys who are going to make this particular object flying into the air. So you have to validate this object. If this pencil want to fly in the air, who has to validate this particular object? It can fly with a velocity of 2000 kilometers per hour. You aeronautical engineers are responsible to make any object fly into the air. You should be proud for that. So how best you should be. That is very important. If you are not good, ultimately what we landed in the south pole of our moon, that ISRO's Chandrayaan-3, it is not going to success. Who has given that aerodynamic shape? Who has given it is capable to travel that many kilometers? You people only. So your role, you should be aware. I have to make particular object should be fly in the air. So how best I should be in the aerodynamics? That is very important. How I have studied in my degrees, where exactly we are using, but badly we are not having very good aerodynamics engineers. That is one drawback. We should have very strong, technically skilled aerodynamic engineers. So lot of time we are taking to make the product, to validate that particular product is capable to travel with a velocity of 2000 kilometers per hour or not. That is very important. So you have to read once again thoroughly what are the subject you have studied during your journey. You should be very strong in technical skills. This is very important parameter. This is very important parameter to succeed in your life as well as to crack the interview also. Whether that technical skill is sufficient to become a good design engineer or aeronautical engineer? No. You should have innovative thinking mind. So whatever you have studied in your academics from the first semester to the 8th semester, all theoretical as well as the concept, you have to convert in terms of your innovative things. So if you see, if you get any order from the industries, if you get any order from the customers, our customer usually will be the Air Force, or it may be Indian Navy, or it may be Indian Army. How they will give product concept to us, or in simple way, if you want to purchase one mobile, what about your expectations? Simply you will go to the shop, you will see what about the RAM, what about the screen size, what about the storage capacity, how it is looking, all those things you used to check. But one particular customer is giving huge order for around 50,000 crores to one company. What about his expectation? He is going to mention lot of things in his purchase order. That particular object which is capable to travel in the air, maybe around 3,000 kilometers per hour. It should be with endurance of around 6 hours. Entire weight may be around 10,000 kg. So when he is going to give the concept, your duty, aeronautics engineer's duty, along with the mechanical engineers and all other sister branches of our engineering, as a whole engineering domain team, we need to make this particular product which is capable to travel in the air with a velocity of 3,000 kilometers per hour. But who has to validate this particular object pencil is going to travel with a velocity of 3,000 kilometers per hour? You, aeronautics only. So that's why strong aeronautics background is badly required for the country, since we have achieved some important milestones with respect to our Chandrayaan-3. Our aerospace engineering branch of HL has done very good support to building entire structure of that Chandrayaan-3. We are having our own division, aerospace division, which is mainly meant for ISRO only. Whatever structures are there, PSLV, and whatever structures with respect to that particular system, all those things we used to do in our aerospace division. So finally, you might have seen that ExpoSat. For what reason that ExpoSat? Second country to launch that one to study the X-rays emitting from the various objects which are present in the air. So what about the black hole concept? We entered into that field. You might have seen our movies, earlier English movies. So black hole concepts. Now we wanted to track that. So apart from that, if you see our Aditya L1, why L1? L1 is nothing but that is the midpoint between, not midpoint exactly, with respect to the center of gravity. If you see the CG of that particular particular sun and earth, that is the point where we have that neutral axis. That's why that L1 point has chosen by the ISRO. So like that, lot of schemes are coming. Not only that, so we HL people are going to send lot of our aircrafts to the 13 countries. So lot of manufacturing capabilities has been increased in the aerospace domain. So lot of opportunities are available for the you young guys. Only thing, you have to work hard. You should be technically skilled one, and ultimately you should be innovative thinking mind. You may be knowing that out of box thinking. You might have done a lot of activities during your college days. Same thing, that out of box concepts we want for our industrial aspects also. Because if you see, as customer given one order, as I told, it has to travel with a velocity of 3,000 kilometers per hour, and weight is lesser than around 10,000 kg, and continuous flying capacity around 6 hours. They will give this one. But how to begin the project? How to initiate the project? This is not simply like making something on the road, and we are driving on the road and something happens, we are going to stop aside of the car, aside of the road. Atralla. Entirely phenomena entirely different. Entirely different. Something happens, we are going to lose our product in the air. What about our Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2? Now we succeed in Chandrayaan-3. If Chandrayaan-3 is negative, what about impact? So those things we need to think. So this is in your hands entirely, young graduates of this aeronautical branch. Your role is more, only thing, try to get good job and try to work for the country. When you work for the country, ultimately you will get some recognition with respect to your package, or it may be with respect to your some kind of other parameters. 100% you are going to get back. Apart from that, one more important thing is the attitude. Third important parameter. First one is your technical skills. Whatever happened. Don't bother about that. If you got 55% mass also, don't worry. Lot of opportunities are there. If you got 80% mass also, don't worry. You are technically good. You are going to get lot of opportunities. Those who have got 55% of the mass also, they are aeronautical engineer only. 80% also aeronautical engineer only. Only difference is, those who have got 55% mass, they have to read once again. They have to read once again. They have to understand the concept once again as per the industrial requirement. If you are thorough in all the that concepts, ultimately you are going to get the good job. There is no, once you work for the any industry for 2 years, 3 years, there is no any difference. Only difference will be initial stage. How fast you are going to get the job. Once you got the job, over, then you are going to move into that particular field. And how you are going to contribute in that field, that is very, very important. That's why I am going to highlight this technical knowledge is very, very important. Because I used to take lot of interviews. Even I used to take lot of mock tests for our Bangalore-based engineering colleges. It may be MEG Engineering College or MSIT or RV Engineering Colleges also. I used to take mock test. Mock test means interview. Because our people always lagging with respect to the technical skills. That is very, very important. You need to read more and more. Once you are technically good, then you will start thinking. how I can make this product which is capable to travel in the air for 3,000 kilometers per hour. If you are not technically sound, you will stop thinking. That is one drawback. So enhance your technical knowledge. Try to think more with respect to the out of box, which is badly required for the aeronautical engineers, not for mechanical or not for other engineers, but out of thinking is must. Out of box thinking is must for the aeronautical engineers, because they are giving one shape to the product which is capable to travel in the air. So other than that, third one is the attitude, as I said. So you should have capability to listen properly and to express properly. You should not be in hurry. And if you are knowing partial around 10%, you should not know you should not show I know everything. No, you should not. If you know 100% also, you should not show I know everything. Because this is a learning page. You have to learn continuously. And industry people are going to watch how, although you are technically strong, what about your attitude? That is also very, very important. Your attitude is good. Ultimately, you are going to have good growth in your career. Apart from, as our sir told, there are a lot of opportunities are there. Not only aeronautics. If you see our mobile industry, how it is growing, if you see our export with respect to some kind of packaging, and a lot of startups are there. So all those things will create job opportunities for you. Don't worry about the job. Try to become technically more strong. Ultimately, you are going to get the job, and good job also. And if you see may you ask how to join ISRO, or how to enter into the HAL, or it may be DIDO. Simple. You have to sit and read, crack the GATE exam. GATE is must for all these government companies. And salary also, government companies, don't worry about salaries. Salaries is too high. Whatever software engineers are going to get, same salaries we are getting. Don't worry about the salaries and all those things. Salaries will be very high. And if you join these kind of organizations, your growth and recognition will be more. And apart from that, one more thing, parents, I am going to highlight here. Whatever they want to do, especially your kids, although they are graduates, you used to think as a kid only, but allow them to go into their own interested field. Don't see your neighbor son what he has done. He has done one course in Oracle. He has done one course in SAP. He is there already in the US. Don't compare with your kids with anyone. Leave him freely. Whatever his interested field, let him grow in that field. He will get good name. That is very, very important. If we are dragging him from his interested field to the other field, ultimately it is going to affect his performance. So that is one important parameter I am going to highlight here. And one more important thing is with respect to our GIT, Gogte Institute of Technology, they have done very good, they have created very good platform especially for the aeronautical engineering students by making MOU with our HAL also. Every year 25 students are attending our courses. So 2 years continuously, 2 hours I have taken class for aeronautics as well as the mechanical engineering students. That is one good move. That this is the only one organization which had a MOU with our HAL. No other organizations, no other institutes. That is one good thing I am going to highlight here, because these kind of activity should increase from all other colleges also. At that time, our students or graduates will come to know that how we industry people are working. They may be felt how we are working and how concept we are making. Everything we might have explained during their 15 days of journey, correct? Have you learned something during those days? Anyone is there? Okay, good. You know me? I took Mass and CG. 2 hours. Okay, because like this required, because whatever study you are doing theoretically, that is entirely different. But whatever we are teaching these guys in our premises, in our company environment, that is entirely different. We are teaching them. Here I can't speak more with respect to our whatever projects are there, because I have come outside. If I am if these people are within my premises, I can tell them everything, how we are doing, what about our project, how we are using your theoretical concept, aerodynamic aspect, why we are using internal, why internal is required. So all those things are very, very important. Like this, they are having GTTC also and ACUS also. So this is one good platform. And apart from that, we are having one more important thing here, simulators. That is also very, very important. Wind tunnel testing. We are having in our HL also wind tunnel testing. So for what reason this wind tunnel testing is important? That is going to validate your product whether capable to fly in the air or not. Those facilities you should study properly, and you should analyze with industrial aspects to the what academic you are studying. That is very, very important. Right now, entire this aerospace domain is driven by the skill and knowledge. As per our Kaushalya Vikasa Yojana of this nation's one important scheme, Kaushalya Vikasa Yojana. So you should be aware of all these skills related to your domain. That is very, very important. I am going to highlight that one. And Atmanirbhara Bharata. Due to that, we got around 2.4 lakh crores orders, HL. We got 2.4 lakh crores order to supply our Tejas aircraft to the foreign countries also, as well as the our in-house also. So lot of scope is there for the aeronautics engineers. Now one more important area is the unmanned aerial vehicles, UAE, drones. You can start your own startups also. Lot of fund will be given by the government. That is one big opportunity. But still we are struggling to make the unmanned aerial vehicles. Remember, door is fully open. We are struggling to supply whatever required quantities of unmanned aerial vehicles required for our Indian Air Force. We are unable to make it. Still we are lagging. We are good in fixed wing, whatever manned aircrafts are there. We are good in helicopters. We are good in some other things, but we are unable to meet the customer requirements in terms of unmanned aerial vehicles. Our DIDO, ADA labs they are trying more, but still Air Force is not happy with the product given by the developed by the our central organizations. So door is open for young minds, those who want to become entrepreneurship, start the entrepreneurship in your own startups with respect to the drones, with respect to the some other parameters, and to develop the LRUs also. You might be not knowing these about LRUs, line replaceable units. These are nothing but components which we are going to use into the aerospace. So we are lagging to have our own component, engine, whether we are having our own engine. Now lot of R&D is going on our aero engine research and development. We have succeeded to develop engine for the helicopters, Shakti engine, and 25 kilonewton engine we have succeeded to make for our trainer aircrafts. Now we have made one MOU with G414 engine to develop in-house along with the G. So lot of R&Ds are going on. So you should be aware about all these things and try to read your related articles from the various magazines which are available in the sources, Google sources, related to your lot of simple, why angle of attack, which angle of attack is good, why angle of attack is required, what about the drag, what are the different types of drag, which aircraft is having which drag, what about the surface, what about the stealth technology. Once again, our one more important beautiful aircraft is coming, which is having that stealth kind of surfaces that we are developing right now, and we are developing the one more important twin engine fighter aircraft to land on the ships. We are having Vikramaditya, we are having Hamsa in Goa, we are having Kochi, Vikram. So there we need badly some advanced aircrafts which we are going to replace MiG-29K. So like that, lot of opportunities are there. Only thing you have to enhance your skills. If you enhance the skills, then ultimately you are going to get good job. That is one motto you need to remember. Success will not come as it is until you put the hard work. Got it? Okay, I wish once again all the best. I am not going to speak much on technical. So what are the opportunities are there for you? I have highlighted. Anything is there, we will discuss further. So once again, I wish all the best for your future endeavors. I am thankful to the management of Gogte Institute of Technology for giving me an opportunity to interact with you people. I am thankful to the HOD sir, as well as the special thanks to Professor Ishwar Gowda sir also. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. We are certain that the words shared today will resonate deeply with our graduates.
I request Professor Parmeshwar Bankar, Head of Department of Aeronautical Engineering, to present memento to our today's esteemed chief guest, as his presence has added aura of excellence to our staff.
I request dignitaries on the dais to please come forward for the certificate distribution.
I will take one more minute. Along with your professional career, try to do some kind of your own interest fashion. That will lead you, take you somewhere. Like if you are doing something as a CAD engineer. So along with that, if you are having that painting skill or some kind of your writing skill with respect to the articles or something, 100% it will take you somewhere. So since I am working as a design engineer, my duty is to configure particular aircraft with respect to the mass and CG. I have to balance entire aircraft by taking small bolt also and big engine also. Entire thing we have to configure the aircraft, which compound should come where. When I am going to lift the aircraft, then it should be in a steady position. My duty is that. So with the help of a number of CAD softwares are right now available in the market. As you know, Minigraphics or CATIA or some other, so many softwares are there. So along with that, if after working hours, 8 hours you can work maximum, or it may be fresher, you can work up to 10 hours. And at least weekly, during your weekends, if you have you are interested writing something, you are writing poems, something you are writing novels or something painting, that habit also you should have. That is very, very important, which lead me to stand here, because apart from my interested area is entirely different. I am working in different area. My interested area is entirely on materials research. But meanwhile, I am contributing that material research to my company also. But 8 hours I am fully working on the entirely by using CAD tools. After duty hours, I published more than 2,238 papers. We collaborated with lot of international researchers also. And I am requesting our faculty members also convert BE projects as a patent or as a one research paper. Those who have completed their BE are going to complete their BE. So whatever project work you used to do, that project work, it is you make mandatory to publish one paper. That is important. That will go into your resume. When I am going to see as a reviewer or interviewer, ultimately he is having different. He is different from others. All have put BE degree, 10 pass, PUC pass, BE pass. Then what about the skills? Computer, MS Office, like that. Then finally, one person may be adding research publication, research presentations, patents. That is going to add more importance to the, more weightage to the your profile. So like that you have to think in upcoming years also, or your juniors you can suggest, and I request our faculty members, they can convert their each batch project as a one paper, sir. Thank you, sorry, sir.
I request Dr. Mahadev Nagraj to do the honors. A few common instructions. I request all the students to be attentive and please climb up the stage from the left hand side and exit from the right hand side. I request all the students to come forward, as in your names will be called out. The academic toppers for the year 2021 and 2022 are as follows. The third year toppers for the academic year 21 and 22 are Shubham Patil, I request everyone to please applaud. Sanket Hawale, Yash Prabhu Desai, the second year toppers are Omkar Bilawar, he has secured the first rank. Kunal Raikar has secured the second rank. Sonali Mirashi has secured the third rank. The first year toppers are Aital Sheikh has secured the first rank. Samir V. Kulkarni has secured the second rank. I request everyone to please applaud. Shreya Kamble has secured the third rank. Congratulations to all the toppers.
Yato bhavo tato bhavati. You become what you believe. It's a matter of great pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work and performance of the students. It's now time to acknowledge the talent of students with award distribution ceremony for academic year 2022-23. I request all the students to come forward as soon as your name is called out. In case of students are not here, I request their respected parents to collect their degrees from the stage.
I request all the graduates to come forward as your names will be called out. Anudeep Kulkarni.
Ajit Kumar.
Akla Kattar.
I request everyone to please applaud. Ashish Parankar.
Bhagyashree.
Chandana T.N.
Faizan Sangoli.
Sanket Havare.
Huzefa Mirza.
Khalid Firoz Pathan.
Lokesh Ambi.
Moin.
Muaz Panhali. We request everyone to please applaud.
Navyashri.
Nupur Bagi has secured the second rank for the batch of 22-23.
Om Mehta.
Omkar Manwadkar.
Faiz Ahmed Naiku,
Pradnya,
Prajwal,
Pushpa, Pushpa. In case of absentia, the respected parents can collect the degrees of their ward or collect it from the department office.
Ritesh Gurav,
Sami Ahmad,
Santosh Kumar,
Sheetal,
Shekhar,
Srinidhi,
Srinivas,
Shubham Gaundadkar,
Shubham Patil,
Soumya Balgar,
Suchita,
Sunil. He has secured second rank for the academic year 2022 and 23. Apologies, third rank.
Sunita T,
Tejas,
Umar Vani,
Varda Patil,
Varsha Joshi,
Vijay Kumar,
Vijay Kumar,
Vinayak B. Keri,
Vinayak G, Yash Prabhu Desai, has also secured first rank for academic batch of 2022-23.
Zeba,
Chetan B,
Saugule Samir, Tanman, Soumya Abhigeri,
Pushpa,
we wholeheartedly congratulate all the graduates and we are very proud of you. I request dignitaries to please take their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to a very special part of the ceremony. We will hear from one of our best students who have excelled in their academic performance. I would like to call upon Ms. Nupur Bagi to come on stage and share her thoughts.
A very good afternoon to everyone. As I stand here today, a feeling of nostalgia hits me because it is right on this very stage that I gave my first ever auditions for the literary team of the college club 4 years ago. And here I am again, 4 years later, probably my last time on the stage as a current student of KLS GIT, saying my thanks and my goodbyes. Here is a fun fact. My dad has been associated with this campus for close to 22 years now. And I have been walking these roads and corridors right from when I was 1 year old. So I can say I have been manifesting these 4 years worth of journey right from back then. I honestly do not know where to begin because there are so many people I have to be grateful for and thank. Of course, gratitude begins at home with my parents and my grandparents and my family's support. but apart from them, right on this campus and off of it, there are so many others. My engineering journey was not only confined to the classrooms and the laboratories. As much as I enjoyed attending classes, I was also a part of the student council of the college, initially as the coordinator of the literary team, and then finally in my final year as the cultural coordinator of the college. And owing to this, I have been able to participate in a lot of extra and co-curricular activities. And let me tell you, our college and department leaves no stone unturned in making sure we receive the right platforms to showcase our talents and our skills. For example, I, for one, would have never imagined that in the September of 2022, while I was still pursuing my engineering, would be able to attend HMA at HAL and first-hand be able to attend all classes. Sir, I remember you teaching me there as well. And attending all of the workstations, all the high security workstations, the experience right then was so surreal, it still feels like a dream now that I think about it. I also had the chance to travel to various states and colleges in Pune, Mumbai, Goa and Bengaluru to attend cultural fests and represent KLS GIT there on the national level. Along with this, owing to my cultural coordinatorship, I had the opportunity to organize and manage Aura 2023, our flagship event and national fest, which I honestly hold very dear to my heart and will continue to do so for the years to come. Nothing, absolutely nothing can substitute for the experience and exposure that I received for all this while. All this being said, all of the experiences and the chances that I have had, it is only possible because of my department and my professors. You would see me every other semester standing near the staff room asking for permission to attend some fest or to submit some assignment or some report on a day apart from the due date because of some fest or event that I had coming up. So in all seriousness, I owe all my gratitude and my thanks to the department, because without them, genuinely it would not have been possible to attend so many events and manage my academics at the same time. To all my friends and my fellow aeronautical engineers now, these 4 years with all of you have been nothing short of an adventure. Having been the CR for 2 years gave me a head start to talk to all of you guys and communicate with all of you beforehand. And even though our second year or a department entry began during the pandemic times when we had online sessions, when college opened for offline sessions again, I think we communicated with each other so well behind the scenes that it never felt like we ever had any online sessions. And this stands true even to my juniors in the department as well as my seniors and also everybody else in this campus. I have come across a lot of amazing people here in the journey of these past 4 years on and off this campus and have learned so much from every single one of them. 4 remarkable years have now flown by, and being only the 3rd batch to graduate out of this department, one might think that we had limited resources or not enough exposure, but let me tell you that is not the case. I take my journey as one such example. We never felt anything lacking. The department and the college provided us with every facility that we needed and asked for. For this, along with my professors, I would also like to take a moment to thank the department administrative staff. As we close this chapter and embark on our next adventure, be it professional or academic, I hope all of us carry forward the spirit of innovation and perseverance, and most importantly, a sense of belongingness to this college, our alma mater. Let us all soar high, not only in our careers, but also in contributing to the nation and to the world of aeronautical engineering. Thank you and congratulations to all of us again.
Thank you, Nupur, for sharing your thoughts. Now I would like to call upon Yash Prabhu Desai to come on stage and share his thoughts.
ಹಲೋ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. So myself Yash Prabhu Desai. So like I have come very unprepared, so I am not used to speaking like this. So this is the very first time I am speaking here like this. Like this is the last moment I decided like I would speak up. So like I'll giving like just a experience of how 4 years spent here in the college. Yeah, like it was the very first time, like PUC, like as I said, like there was a bit confusion like which branch to take,
and somehow I don't know what struck in my mind. Like I thought like I would do aeronautical. Like I was like life में अजून कुछ तो daring करने का था. Then like I took aeronautical, and as soon as I came, like after the first year the pandemic came, so like it was after a year like I would be meeting my aeronautical mates, and like after that it was all about our journals and exams, like all the last moment things. I remember with my friends we would sit up and it like I am reconciling that memories. And like apart from that, like I don't talk about the academic accomplishments, like we all know that, but apart from that, like there was a personal growth for me, because like I'm not used to speak like this. Like after coming here, like after going to a lot of seminars, like project phases, all we have, so like that actually made up build my soft skills, and that's why like I'm here in front of you, like speaking here. And I guess like I have I don't know about others, but I have got a lot of shoutings like when it comes to seminars or like that. But that actually has helped me in like now I joined the company. Like I don't get that fear like when I was supposed to do any seminars or something of that kind. Yeah, that's all. Like I'd like to thank all the faculty members, especially Bankar sir, like all the faculty members, the non-teaching staffs. Especially to my parents who have like being with me in all the steps, and also my friends and all. So yeah, that's all. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Yash. I'd like to call upon Omkar M to share his thoughts with us.
So good afternoon to one and all present here, respected chief guest, HOD sir, my beloved friends and all the parents sitting there. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you and say some few words. Like I'm not getting from where to start because it wasn't planned like this. It's a sudden plan to express out whatever I feel today. And guys, it's the last day. So the feelings should come out, I think. So whenever I think of a convocation day and getting graduated from this college, a very favorite song during the olden times, I remind that. I think you have heard the song like College Days. कब मिलेंगे ना यारो हम जाने फिर से कभी लौट कर अब ना आएंगे वो मस्ती भरे दिन कभी के दिल ये अपना कहे ए दोस्तों I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. याद है वो सारे lectures हमने जो बंक किए थे. प्रॉक्सी का पकड़ा जाना और लफड़े क्या कम किए थे. और बाहर आके वो कहना साला क्या बेकार पेपर सेट किया था यार. So thank you. This was the song, like we are very close to this song from graduation day. So now let's thanks our professor for everything. They have been supporting to us constantly, and let's also thank our HOD sir for giving us such good opportunities in the field of aeronautics and improving our department as well. Next, I would like to thank all the parents because they have been the constant support to you guys to reach till now. So I would like to request everyone to give a loud applause to all the parents present here. Because of them, we are today here. And I would like to also thank my mom for believing in me. Because of her, I am today standing before you, and whatever I am today, it's because of her only. So I am very thankful to you, mom. And it's very a good privilege for me to stand before you on this convocation day. And guys, some small issue I would like to discuss upon, like, now we have graduated, some of us got good placements and some of us are waiting for the right opportunity. So let's the connection between us be together, as we have come across that those who have got placed in good companies, you can share the opportunities whenever there is a vacancy or any kind of referrals you want to give to your friends. It would be very good for us and for those who haven't got the good opportunity till now. And let's share the friendliness throughout the upcoming years, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you. Signing off.
Thank you so much, graduates. We are thrilled to hear your words. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have come to end of this memorable and joyous ceremony, I request Dr. L. Chickmet to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Madhav Nagaral, Management Committee, worthy teachers, parents, my dear students, and everyone gathered here. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution to those who have worked hard on this day to happen. On behalf of the entire fraternity of the management, I would like to first extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty for making this day a resounding success. I thank our chief guest, Dr. Madhav Nagaral, who spared his time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear from you, sir. Your thoughts will surely be going to encourage our students and our institute in our future endeavor. A special mention, though in his absence, I need to mention our respected principal, Dr. M.S. Patil, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best things and standing as a pillar for our strength. I extend my thanks to the KLS Management Committee for their constant support. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by our head of the department, Parmeshwar Bankar, for his efforts and dedication in executing today's event. I am immensely thankful to Ms. Anushka and Sakshi for their efforts towards anchoring today for their own ideas and elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation to Ms. Radhika and Shreya for their vigorous, soulful voice in delivering the prayer song that made us to go through the devotion. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our dedicated professors for their untiring efforts. I extend thanks to all the non-teaching staff members of our department for their enormous cooperation. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their zones. I extend my gratitude to our student volunteers who worked really very hard in executing this event. I would also thank the people who worked behind the scenes to make this event. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for your rock-solid support system and your encouragement. Without your support, children were not been able to achieve excellence or what they are today. Thank you so much for attending this event. Finally, I would like to thank the young graduates, the energetic aeronautical engineers. You were wonderful during your days at our institute. When looked as an overall, you people were phenomenal in your academics and in extracurricular activities. Your memories will be really cherished. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. I request everyone to please rise up for the national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
We wholeheartedly congratulate all the graduates and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
All are requested to proceed for the photograph on stage. All the faculties, graduates are requested to please come up on the stage.
Library is better, I think.
Here they are setting. Here it is not possible.
Everyone will not look good. We suggested, sir, in the start of the event. We will ask. So there are stairs there, then we can assume faculty chairs and then people can stand. So how about that, sir? Should I announce?
Because they will mark it. We are sitting there.
We are coming down. We are sitting down.
Oh.
Students will be standing here.
They are suggesting library.
अरे एक बार ये खत्म होने तो फिर वही करेंगे
बच्चे